March, march, stomp along. Here comes the animal parade song. Step in line, come and play. Join the animals marching today.
Here come the elephants, big and strong, stomping their feet as they march along. Stomp, stomp, stomp goes their mighty beat. Marching.
Imagine being able to create a kid's song video that racks up millions of views on YouTube and earning thousands of dollars from it, all without any prior experience in music or animation. It might sound impossible, but it's happening every day.
Now come the ducks with a quack, 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 waddling along with a flap and a smack. Waddle, waddle, quack goes their funny way, marching along in the parade today.
March, march, stomp along. Here comes the animal parade song. Step in line, come and play. Join the animals marching.
Creators are making over $10,000 a month from simple videos like these. With the power of AI, you can do the same. And the best part? You can create a full video in just 10 minutes. Don't believe me? Just check out channels like Cocomelon, which have earned millions from similar content. So stay with me, and I'll walk you through the exact steps to create your own viral kids song video from start to finish. Ready? Let's get started. The first step is to come up with a catchy song idea for kids. But instead of spending hours thinking, we can make it simple by using ChatGPT. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT, copy and paste the first prompt from the video description, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have a list of creative song ideas with titles, music styles, and short descriptions. Once you have the list, go through it and pick the one you like best. For this video, I'm choosing Animal Parade. It's lively, fun, and perfect for keeping kids entertained. Now that we have our song idea, it's time to write the lyrics. We'll stick with ChatGPT for this step too. Start by copying and pasting the selected song idea into the text box. Then, grab the second prompt from the video description and paste it in below. After that, click Generate. In just a few moments, you'll get a complete set of lyrics that are fun, catchy, and perfect for kids. If you want to make the lyrics even better, you can ask ChatGPT for changes. For example, you might want them to sound more upbeat or include new characters. ChatGPT makes it easy to create great lyrics, even if you've never written a song before. Now, let's move on to the next step. Next, we need visuals to match our lyrics. And once again, ChatGPT is here to help. Start by copying and pasting the third prompt from the video description into the text box, then click Generate. ChatGPT will provide you with detailed prompts that describe the scenes for your video. These prompts are crucial for the AI tools we'll use later to create animations. So make sure they are clear and descriptive. Having the right visuals will truly bring your song to life and capture the attention of kids watching. Now that we have the lyrics, it's time to create the music. And for this, we're using Suno AI, which makes creating songs incredibly easy. Start by searching for Suno AI on Google and click the first link to access the platform. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button on the left sidebar. Before you can start creating, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and straightforward. After you're signed in, click on the Custom option. This is where the fun begins. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy the title of your song, then paste it into the title text box on Suno AI. Next, grab the style of music we decided on and paste it into the Style section. Now, it's time to add our lyrics. Copy the lyrics we generated earlier and paste them into the lyrics text box. Before you hit the Create button, take a moment to review the lyrics. If there are any phrases or words you don't like, feel free to remove them so they fit your vision perfectly. Once everything looks good, click Create. Suno AI will generate 2 different versions of your song. Take some time to listen to both and select the one you like best.
March, march, stomp along. Here comes the animal parade song.
March, march, stomp along. Here comes the animal parade song.
Once you've made your choice, go ahead and download it. This will be the soundtrack for your video, setting the tone for all the visuals we're about to create. Now, let's move on to generating those visuals. Now it's time to bring our lyrics to life with animations. For this, we'll be using Haiper AI, a fantastic tool that transforms our text prompts into animated visuals. First, go to Haiper AI by searching for it on Google. Once you're on the site, log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the text-to-video option. This is where we'll start creating our visuals. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt we generated. Paste that prompt into Haiper AI and click Create. To ensure our animations have a consistent look, take the seed number from our first creation and paste it into the settings before generating the second image. This step is important because it helps maintain the style across all our visuals. Now, create the second image using the same process. Repeat these steps for each scene in your song. Keep in mind that each creation from Haiper AI only gives you a 6-second video. If a scene in your song lasts longer, you'll need to create additional images to fill that time. Once you've completed all the scenes, download each video. Finally, we're going to pull everything together using CapCut, a user-friendly and free video editing tool. Start by uploading your music track and the animated clips you created. Once everything is in CapCut, you can begin matching the visuals to the lyrics and beat of your song. To create a smooth and engaging video, consider adding transitions between clips. This will help your video flow better and keep viewers interested. You can also incorporate text to highlight key lyrics, making it easier for kids to sing along. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to export your creation. Click the export button and CapCut will compile your video into a finished product. And that's it! You've just created a complete animated kids song video from start to finish using AI tools. It was fast, easy, and best of all, anyone can do it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple ways to create awesome content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.